Got him? There you go. Good job.
Trying to come up and nose it. He's just a little guy.
Let me get him. Let me get him. Let me get him with that hook. That's a nice fish.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna catch his mama right here.
Hold him tight. Good job.
I think they see that grass moving like when you throw it in the weeds like that.
What'd you say?
When you throw it in the weeds, I think that works, man. You gotta throw it in the grass and move it around right there. Didn't pay attention.
Hold him up before you let him go.
I might need those pliers. They're kind of obtuse. I can, yeah, just hand me those pliers again. Oh, sorry.
A little bit better than peanuts, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Hold it up for me.
Look out!
That's the
Oh,
one.
that is a big
That's
boy.
the money fish right there.
Wow. Nice. What do you think, man? It's 3 or 4 pounds? Maybe?
Yeah. About 4 pounds.
It was the perfect cast too. Holy shit. It was right in that little pond. You gotta get it. I gotta get a picture of that.
If I hold him with my thumb, or am I gonna get cut up?
No, just a little sandpaper. Hold him tight. Turn.
Like this?
No.
Oh!
Oh, look at the swirl.
That felt like a pretty good size. chocolate. Yeah.
There's some bass in here.
Give me those pliers right there.
Which ones?
I mean that little thing right behind you. You gotta like right through the hard part of his jaw here.
I'll back up. I'll go around and back up. Come up for me again.
There you go.
A little good, but not too bad.
Trying to get a picture of every bass your char's ever caught.
Not all of them.
$200 worth of worms you have in there.
I just
5 bag gross.
I just ordered a 100 pink last night.
You get online?
Yeah, I buy them about 100 on eBay.
Those are the Gary Yamamoto.
No, I don't.
Way down
It's a motor mount right
It's in his gut.
there. Yeah, I think so. What do you do with that? Using those?
Hold him up on that.
Here, I'll take that.
I'll just put it right in the cooler.
man.